Gurukam.
Correct. So chapter 1 is our number system. Just a minute. Let me write it here. Number system. So what do you know about this chapter? What do you know about this chapter?
Sir, I taught in this chapter many formulas.
Okay. Acha, do you know how many different type of numbers you know about?
Please 1 minute, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
I am asking how many different type of numbers do you know about?
Sir, I have in this chapter
Mhm.
many numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers,
Okay,
prime numbers,
right,
composite numbers,
right,
rational numbers,
correct.
irrational numbers.
Good, good, good. So, do you know what are natural numbers? What
Yeah,
they, tell me what they are.
the counting numbers are known as natural numbers.
You are right. Why do we call them as counting numbers?
Collection of all natural numbers denoted by n.
Yeah, you are right. So I was asking counting number because when we start counting anything now, suppose if I ask you to count the number of notebooks in your bag, right? How do you count? One,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, right? And collection of natural number is represented by the letter n, right? N stand for the natural numbers. Good, you are right. Acha, then what are the whole numbers?
If we include 0 in the collection of all natural numbers,
Huh?
we get 0.
Yes,
Whole numbers denoted by W.
you are right. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Means all these were what? They all were the natural numbers. So what we did? We added an extra number to them, that is 0. Okay. So then there is a new collection of number that we get over here, and this collection is what we call it as the whole number, and they are represented by the letter W. That's right. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
next is what we call them as integers. Do you know what they are? Integers.
No.
Integers. First of all, I am taking all the natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then I am taking their negatives also. So negative of the natural numbers are what? They are -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on, right? Including 0. I will also include 0. So there is a new collection of number obtained this way. This is what we call them as the integers. So what are integers? Natural numbers. Number one, they are the natural numbers, right? Their
And we add
negatives.
minus in
uh,
natural numbers.
their negatives, they are the negatives of the natural number itself. Their negatives,
Yeah.
including 0. 0 is also included here, so including 0. The new collection obtained is known as the integers. Do you know by what letter we represent the this integers?
I think it denoted by I.
No, it is not denoted by a, it is denoted by the letter z, right? Where the letter z is derived from the word uh, zehlan.
Zebra.
Zehlan,
Zehlan.
right? It is actually a French word, right?
Okay.
And its meaning is to count. So German word actually, right? French, German word. Germany people, they use this word, right? Zehlen. So the meaning of this word is count. So they used to count the objects or items, and that's why we are using the letter Z over here, right? So Z is what? Z is the collection of all the natural numbers, their negatives, including the 0 also. That's right. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Good. Now can you tell me what is a rational number?
The numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where
Okay.
P and Q are co-prime integers and Q
Okay.
is not equals to 0.
Arey wah, very good. So any number which we can write in the form of P by Q. Now what are P and Q? P and Q are the co-prime numbers. You are right. And with the condition that Q is not equal to 0. Acha, here you have introduced a word. Do you know what are the co-prime numbers?
No.
No. Okay. Do you know what are prime numbers?
Yeah.
What they are?
The numbers which have only two factors are known as prime numbers.
You are right. Only two factors. What are which two factors?
Like जैसे सर हमने एग्जांपल ले लिया तो
No, no.
2 के
Suppose
फैक्टर्स
which two factors should be which the number should have which two factors as the only two factor?
2.
Two. Actually, prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. कौन से? One and
and 2.
number itself. Number
Okay.
itself. For example, do you know prime number start from which number?
2,
2. After that,
3,
3. Then,
5,
okay, good. Then,
7,
good. Then,
11.
good. So you see, what are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 are only 2 and 1 only. Because 1 is a factor of every number. Similarly, factors of 3 are what? They are 3 and 1 only. What are the factors of 5? They are 5 and 1 only. What are the factors of
Yeah.
7? 1 and
7
7
and 1.
only. Right now, so 1 and the number itself, they should be the only factor of a prime number, right? That is why we call them as the prime number. And one thing I tell you, now here I am talking about this number 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Only even prime number. Right. You see, after 2, all the prime numbers are odd. You know na what are the odd numbers and even numbers?
Yeah.
Yes, it is the smallest prime number and it is the only even prime number also. Right? There is no prime number other than 2 which is even. Rest of them all are odd. बाकी और कोई भी even नहीं है. They all are odd number except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Clear? Now I will come
Yeah.
to co-prime number. Yes, I was talking about co-prime numbers. So let me tell you what they are. So co-prime. 1 minute. I will. Yeah. Co-prime numbers. Right. Two numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their only common factor only common factor is 1. That is, 1 is the only common factor of those two numbers. For example, if I say 13 and 15, right? What are the factors of 13?
1 and 13.
1 and 13 itself. What are the factors of 15?
1 and 50. 1, 3 and 5
1,
also.
1, 3 also. 5 is also, of course, 15
Yeah.
because every number is a factor of itself. Right now, 1
Yeah.
and the number itself, the now what is the common factor? Check out. What is the common factor? Common factor is 1.
Common factor is also 1.
है ना? What
Yeah.
is there? What is the factor common between them? Common between them is 1. Right now, so 13 and 15 are co-prime. 13 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Got it now? Right. Can you think of another pair of
Yeah.
co-prime numbers?
Mm,
Think over it. Maybe
I
you get.
like 17 and 19.
Huh. Even 17 and 18 also work because the factors
Yeah.
of 17 are 17 and 1. But the what are the factors of 18? 1 is a factor, 2
1,
is also a
2,
factor, huh?
9,
3 also,
3,
6
6,
also, 9 also, and 18 also. So which factor is
18.
common between them? Which factor is common between them?
1.
Right now, only one. है ना? So that is they are also co-prime numbers. 17 and 19 are also co-prime. Now you see, co-prime numbers need not be prime. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो खुद प्राइम हो. You see 17 तो प्राइम नंबर है, but 18 तो नहीं है प्राइम नंबर.
Yeah.
But they should be prime for each other. 17 के टेबल में 18 नहीं आता, 18 के टेबल में 17 नहीं आता, और ना ही कोई ऐसा नंबर है जिसपे ये दोनों डिवाइड हो जाए. Right. So what exactly I want to say कि if a number if I have a number 6 upon 9, right? तो अभी what can you see here? We can cut it, है ना? 3 to the 6, है
Yeah.
ना? 3 3 is 9.
And
So
3,
what
3,
do we get?
9.
है ना? This is
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. Do you know what is this form of number known as? When cutting is
P
possible,
upon Q.
this is known as simplest form. You remember that?
Okay.
है ना? It is known as the simplest form of a rational number. Of a rational number, right? So in this case, see what was the number given to us? The number was given to us 6 over 9, है ना? But what we see that 6 and 9 are not co-prime. क्यों co-prime नहीं है? क्योंकि अगर हम 6 के फैक्टर्स देखें, क्या कॉमन है? 1, एक तो 1 फैक्टर कॉमन है ना? 2 भी है, 3 भी है, और 6 भी है. And if
Or
we see
6
the
here.
vectors of 9, 1 is factor, 2, 3 is factor,
3.
and 9. So there are factors other than 1 also. They are not co-prime क्योंकि एक तो 1 कॉमन तो है ही है, बट 1 के अलावा एक और चीज भी है जो कॉमन है, that is 3,
3.
है ना? So they are not co-prime. अब now when we have done the cutting, इनकी cutting कर दी हमने, जो भी हो गया possible हो गया, then we get the answer 2 upon 3. Can we cut it further?
Yeah.
कैन वी डू इट? कैन वी सिंप्लीफाई इट फर्दर? क्या किसी और नंबर पे इसको कट कर सकते हैं 2 और 3 को?
No, no, no.
नो ना. सो नाउ दे आर इन विच फॉर्म दे आर राइट नाउ? Simplest form,
Simplest form.
or you can say now they have become what?
Co-prime.
Co-prime number. So when we say कि P and Q are co-primes, इसका मतलब cutting should not be possible. Cutting नहीं possible होनी चाहिए. You got my point? What I exactly
Yeah.
want to say? Huh? Great. Now give me some example of the rational numbers. Examples. Hello, can you hear me? What are the? Give me examples of the rational numbers.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Um,
For example,
2 minus 2 upon 3.
minus 2 upon 3, or
5 upon 7.
okay, चलो 5 upon 7, और
3 upon 7.
ठीक है चलो. Okay, मतलब जो भी upon में form में आ गया. अच्छा, now let me ask one question. Is 11 a prime number? Is 11 a rational number?
No.
No. Why? Why it is not a rational number? Tell me. Why it is not a rational number? Think over it. Acha, if I write 11
So
as 11 upon 1, can I write it as 11 upon 1?
no, because the answer will be 11.
तो कोई चेंज तो नहीं आया ना नंबर में, तो आई कैन राइट इट,
No.
है ना. 11 कैन बी
Yeah.
रिटन एज 11 अपॉन 1. अब 11, क्या 11 अपॉन 1 रैशनल है
Yeah.
ना. इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर ना, राइट. सो इट मींस 11 इज आल्सो अ रैशनल नंबर, क्योंकि 11 इज व्हाट 11
Yeah.
अपॉन 1. अच्छा, नाउ सपोज इफ आई राइट नेचुरल नंबर्स, नाउ हियर इफ आई राइट natural numbers, what are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4, so
4,
on, है ना,
5.
है ना.
Yeah.
They all are natural. If I write 1 in the denominator of each number, will there be a change in their value? वैल्यू में तो कोई चेंज नहीं आया,
No.
है ना. 1 1 ही रहा, 2 2 ही है, 3 3 ही है, बस हमने डिनोमिनेटर में 1 लगा दिया. बट व्हेन वी राइट 1 इन द
Yeah.
डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ ईच नेचुरल नंबर, दे ऑल एक्चुअली बिकम व्हाट. अब वो किस फॉर्म में आ गए,
Simplest form.
आई मीन p अपॉन q फॉर्म में आ गए,
Yeah.
राइट ना. एंड नाउ दे ऑल आर रैशनल,
Yeah.
isn't it? So can we say that all natural numbers are rational? Is it right to say?
Yeah.
Yes. It means here we can say that all, right, natural numbers are rational. Why? How can we write all natural numbers are rational? By writing 1 in their
In
denominator.
the denominator.
उनके डिनोमिनेटर में 1 लिख दो, सारे के सारे रैशनल बन जाएंगे, राइट. नाउ इफ आई
Yeah.
टॉक अबाउट होल नंबर्स, right, if I talk about whole numbers 0 1 2 3 4, and here I'm writing a question, are all whole numbers rational? Yes, let me know.
Yeah.
How will you write whole numbers in the form of a rational number?
Because if we write 1 in the denominator,
Yes,
so the
उनके,
value is
yes, they will become in the form of p upon q, है ना. उनके 1
yeah.
लिख दो, they all will become rational now. Yes ना, उनके 1 डिनोमिनेटर में लिखना है. Now here I will talk about integers, right. Here I am talking about integers. What are integers? You remember that? What were integers?
Yeah.
Tell me.
If we can write negative sign in the numbers,
Which numbers?
or like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
See. Oh, I think you forgot. You forgot about the integers. Just let me try to remember you. What were they? Number 1, all the natural numbers, they are negatives including 0. Right now. So it means,
Yeah.
what were they? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Right now. So are all
Yeah.
integers rational? Is it right to say?
Yeah.
How?
Because if we can write 1 in the denominator, so the value is not be changed.
And they will come in the form of p by q, है ना. So if we write 1
Yeah.
in the denominator of each integer, it will come in the form of p upon q, and it will become a rational number. So yes, that's right. Is it clear to you? Any doubt?
Yeah.
Yes,
No.
no doubt. Okay, good. That's great. Now what next? Let me tell you. Just give me a minute. I think you are watching a serial behind.
No, my mother is watching the serial.
Acha, your mom is watching a serial. Okay, fine. No issues. Let us start with the next thing, right? So then,
Yeah.
what I was saying. So suppose now if I represent this small circle, if this small circle is representing the natural numbers, okay. So wait, hold on. I will make it another way, huh? Just give me 1 minute, okay? I'll do it on a new page. Not here, actually, not here. Can you see the new page right now? The green color or not?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I'll
Yeah.
share it again. Maybe you're not able to see the correct page. 1 minute.
Sir, I am C.
You are able to see then. Fine, then
Yeah.
it's okay. Yeah, here it is. I think now you'll be able to see. Fine. So suppose this is a small portion. It is meant for what? It is meant for the natural number. Okay. And this one natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. No, all these are natural. If I include 0, what will it become? If I include 0 with the natural number, what is the
Yeah.
name of new collection obtained? What is the name of new
The
collection?
whole numbers.
Yes, you are right. We get whole numbers, right? So what do you see here? That whole numbers include all the natural numbers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right now, you see that this red part. You can see this red part now. This red part includes the green part also. Correct. Now, if I
Yeah.
write the negative also, right? If I write the negative of the natural numbers -1, -2, -3,
-3,
-4, and -4.
-4,
Now,
and
what is
so
this
on.
new collection? What is this new collection then? What is the
It's
name?
integers.
Yes, it is a collection of integers. So I am going to represent it with a different, right? This is the collection of integers. So can we say that integer include all the whole numbers and all the natural numbers? Can I
Yeah.
say right now? So this red part is representing the collection of the whole numbers. That's right. And this blue
Yeah.
part, it is representing integers. Correct. So we can say that
Yeah.
yeah, we can say that all natural numbers are integers and all natural numbers are whole number also. But can I say that
Yeah.
all whole numbers are natural numbers? Are all whole
No,
numbers? No. So there is a whole number which is not a natural number. Which one is that?
because in natural number 0 will not be included.
Yes, you are right. Zero is not included. Acha, can I say that all the integers are whole numbers? Is it right to say?
Yeah.
How? How are all the integers
When
whole number? Do you see that in the figure?
you say a question,
Uh, my
so
question is,
please repeat the
are
question.
all integers whole numbers? Are
No,
all integers? No. Yes. No. तो कौन से हैं ऐसे इंटीजर जो होल नंबर नहीं है? ऐसे कौन से इंटीजर
-1,
हैं?
-2.
Yes, because negative integers, right? Because negative integers are not, right, whole numbers. That's right. Now I will
Yeah.
talk about, acha, now if I write 1 in the denominator of each one of them, right? If I write in 1 in the denominator of each one of them, now they will become what? Now they will become what? The new collection is king to
In
us.
the form of P upon Q.
So what are they known
It's
as?
rational numbers.
Yes, they will become rational numbers, right now. Now they all will become
Yeah.
the rational numbers. So rational numbers are like 3 upon 5 also, minus 1 upon 2 also, 3 upon 7 also, you know. And so it, so I can say that all integers are rational numbers, right? All
Yeah.
whole numbers are also rational numbers. All natural numbers are
Yeah.
also rational numbers, right now. But the
Yeah.
converse is not true. All rational numbers are not natural numbers. Can you give me an example? Which rational number is not a natural number?
I think 0 upon 0.
Zero, no, no. That is not a natural number actually. Even that is not even a natural number, because the natural the rational number cannot have zero in their denominator, right? Now I'm talking about, say, 3 upon 5, right? It is a rational number or not,
Yeah.
right? Huh? Is it natural number? कम से कम 45 मिनट ताकि हाँ, is it natural number?
Yeah.
Are you sure 3 upon 5 is natural number?
No, it's not a natural number.
So it means you can give an example over here that 3 upon 5 is a rational number, but it is not a natural number. Similarly, 3 upon 5 is a rational number, but it is not a whole number. Similarly, 3 upon 5 is a rational number, but it is not an integer. It means to say all the rational numbers are not integers. All the rational numbers are not whole numbers. Even all the rational numbers are not natural number also. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Is it clear to you? Right.
Yeah.
So, right. So, this is what is the scenario of the rational numbers. Acha, you tell me one thing: is zero a rational number? Zero, I am talking about.
नेचुरल नंबर तो नहीं है
No,
सर.
no, no. Zero is zero. Rational, I am talking about. Is zero a rational number? Can we write zero in the form of a rational number?
I think no.
Acha, you do one thing. You do one thing. See this chart and tell me, right? If the zero lies in this chart, it will be a rational number. Check out.
Yeah.
है ना zero? Because what we
Hmm.
have written, zero can be written as, because the answer is actually yes. Why? Because zero can be written as 0 over 1. It comes in the form of p by q, na? है ना?
Yeah.
So it is a rational number. Yes, 0 is a
Yeah.
rational number. Even we can write 0 as 0 over 2 also. 0 के अपॉन में तो कुछ भी लिख
Yeah.
दो तो 0 ही रहेगा. 0 के अपॉन में 3 लिख दोगे तब भी 0 ही है ना? So yes, 0 is a rational number. Clear to you right now? Any
Yeah.
doubt? So,
No.
any doubt in what we have done so far?
No.
No doubt. Okay, very good. Well done. So now I think that is enough for today. What do you say? Yes?
As your wish.
Yeah. No? You can also say yes if you want me. So being I think because this was a trial session, so I think I have covered till here, till all the rational numbers, right? Maybe when we continue, we can go ahead with the complete chapter, right?
Yeah.
Right. So let me know if you have any doubt in what we have done so far.
No. No doubt.
No doubt. Okay, great, great. So I think now you are well aware with all type of numbers: natural number, whole number, integers, rational, prime numbers, co-prime numbers. Right now, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay then. Thank you for joining the session. Right. So take care.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let me know. I mean, you can call the Avinash sir. Yeah, yeah. You can give the feedback and then we can discuss further sessions. Fine.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So bye bye. Take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Stay connected.